So recently, you might have heard of Google's enhanced password manager that they have integrated into your Google accounts with the Google Chrome browser. And people wonder, is it safe? Well, yes, it is safe to a degree, but think about it in these terms. You're already signed in with your Google account. And if you're signed in with your Google account in your browser and someone gains access to your computer, they can now potentially have access to all those passwords as well. So it's really only as safe as the Google account that it's tied to. So again, standard safeguards here. Make sure you have multi-factor authentication enabled, that you're using complex passwords anyway. And since it's now integrated into your browser and your computer, make sure that your screen locks over a short period of inactivity. Like if you walk away for 5 minutes, make sure that no one can just walk up to your computer and start logging into all your sensitive accounts. Personally, I prefer a third party password manager versus one that's built in to an existing account that you're signed into. But if that's more than you want to put yourself through, it's at least some form of additional security and way to make sure that you keep your passwords complex but still accessible to you.